Let oil.
Well, it started for a second.
No, it's good.
It's good. It sounds
we just want, you don't want to start it up, all that. Wait a little bit, and then start it up, and just now let it go. All right. Go ahead.
Fire it up.
Fire it up.
It's gonna be loud, and just let it. That thing's loud, huh? Jacket down, but take it for a little spin, clean the garage, and pull the back end of the Jeep, excuse me, and then pull the white one in and do the same thing to that one.
Okay, put the cover on and take it around the block.